Morning. The next relation which we are going to discuss is transitive relation. Definition is, if A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, implies that A comma C belongs to R. First we have to see whether A comma B is there or not. If A comma B is there, then check for B comma C also. If these two are there, then we can go for checking A comma C. If A comma B is there, B comma C is not there, then no need to worry about this A comma B. Directly we can say that this is a transitive relation only. Both are there, A comma C is not there, then it is not a transitive relation. If A comma B alone it is there, B comma C is not there, then there is no possible to get A comma C. In that case, only A comma B we can say it is a transitive relation. Now this is the definition for transitive relation. Let us take the same example and we will discuss that. A is equal to 1, 2, 3 is a set. A cross A, the Cartesian product I have written here. Now I have taken a relation A is equal to 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3 and 1 comma 3. Now in this relation we have to check whether A comma B is there, B comma C is there or not. If these two are there, then we have to go for checking A comma C also. Now see, 1 comma 2 is there, A comma B. Next, B is 2, again I have 2 here, so B comma C. If this is so, then I have to go for checking A comma C. This is A and this is C, that is there. Therefore condition satisfies, this is a transitive relation. Now check here, 1 comma 3, A comma B, this is there. B comma C, B comma C means 3 comma something should be there, that is not there, only A comma B is there. In that case I cannot have A comma C, therefore this will come under transitive only. Now check for this one, 2 comma 3 is there, 2 comma 3, A comma B is there, then B comma C is not there. In that case only A comma B is there, therefore this will also comes under transitive, therefore this relation is a transitive relation. Now see here, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1 means next will be 1 comma something, some other number should be there, that is A comma B is there, B comma C is not there, so this will be transitive. Now here 1, 2 comma 3 is there, the next set is not there, BC is not there, so this will also come under transitive. Now 3 comma 3, AB is there, BC is not there, so no need to worry about AC, directly we can say that this is a transitive relation. Now fourth set I have taken A cross A. Now check completely the cross product, Cartesian product. 1 comma 1, AB is there, next BC 1 comma 2 is there, then go for AC, BC, AC means again 1 comma 2 only, so therefore the transitive relation satisfies. Now go for this one, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2 is there, so next one is 2 comma 2, so that should be 1 comma 1, so that is there, so this also satisfies. Now 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3 means next 3 comma 1 is there, so AC will be 1 comma 1, so that is also there, so this also satisfies. Next 2 comma 1 is there, so next will be 1 comma something, that is here 1 comma 2 is there, therefore next set should be 2 comma 2, so this is there, so condition satisfies there. Now for 2 comma 2, then 2 comma 1 is there, so the next set will be 2 comma 1 only, so this also satisfies. Now 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3, A B is there, now BC here, BC is there, now AC will be 2 comma 2, this is there. Now next here AB, AB, 3 1 is there, so next 1 3 is there, this is BC. Then AC will be 3 comma 3, that is there. Next AB 3 comma 3 is there, then 3 comma of 1 is there. If it is so, then 3 comma 1 will be AC set, so this also satisfies. Each and every element satisfies there. Therefore this Cartesian product we can say that this is a transitive relation. Now see here, the next is equivalence relation. A relation R in a set A is said to be equivalence relation. When we can say that it is an equivalence relation means if a single relation satisfies reflexive, symmetric and transitive, all the three relations satisfies, then we can say that particular relation as a equivalence relation. Now see this Cartesian product, see check whether it is a reflexive or not. Set is 1 2 3. For reflexive condition is A comma A. How many elements are there? The same elements you should match with themselves. So 1 means 1 comma 1, it is there. 2 means 2 comma 2, it is there. 3 means 3 comma 3, that is there. Extra elements no problem. So this we can say it is a reflexive. It is reflexive. Now symmetric. For symmetric condition is if A comma B belongs to R means then B comma C or B comma A also should belongs to R. Now AB 1 comma 1, BA 1 comma 1 belongs to this set. 1 2 is there. 1 2, next one 2 1, that is there. 1 3 is there, the next one 3 1, that is there. Then 2 1 is there, the next will be 1 2, this satisfies. 2 2, next is 2 2 2 only. Now 2 3 is there, the next will be 3 2. 3 1, the next set is 1 3, this is there. 3 2, next set is 2 3, that is there. 3 3, next set is 3 3 only. Therefore this satisfies symmetric relation also. Just now we have seen that the Cartesian product satisfies the transitive relation also. So if this relation satisfies reflexive, symmetric and transitive, then we can say that relation is a equivalence relation.